The blood enters the heart from the superior and inferior vena cavas into the right atria. It then flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The blood leaves the heart through the pulmonic valve and pulmonary artery, goes to the lungs, and re-enters the heart into the left atria. It then flows through the bicuspid or mitral valve and enters the left ventricle. It leaves the heart through the aortic valve and the aorta. The tricuspid and bicuspid valves are called the atrioventricular valves, and the pulmonic and aortic are called the semilunar valves.
That was good.
Good enough.
S1 is the sound made by the closing of the atrioventricular valves. It is the love sound and is heard best over the apex of the heart. S2 is the sound made by the closing of the semilunar valves. It is a dub sound and is heard best over the base of the heart.
Lub. Dub.
That's good. S3 is an extra heart sound heard shortly after S2. It sounds like Kentucky. It is caused by decreased ventricular wall compliance. It is best heard with the bell of the stethoscope over the mitral and tricuspid valve. Extra heart sound heard right before S1. It sounds like Tennessee. It is heard when there is resistance to ventricular filling, commonly caused by a stiff ventricle from hypertrophy, disease, or injury to the ventricular wall. It is best heard with the bell of the stethoscope.
An example of what S1 and S2 sounds like. Lub dub, lub dub, lub dub, lub dub. This is an example of what S3 heart sounds sound like. Kentucky, Kentucky, Kentucky. Of what S4 heart sounds sound like. Tennessee, 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 Tennessee. S1 and S2 demonstration. Love,
Dub,
love,
dub,
love,
dub.
and demonstration of S3 heart sounds. Love,
Dub, dub,
love,
dub, dub,
love,
dub, dub.
Ken,
Tuck, E,
Ken,
tuck, E.
and S4 heart sound demonstration. Love,
Dub, dub,
love,
dub, dub,
love,
dub,
dub, love,
dub, dub.
10,
C,
10,
C,
10,
C,
10.
C.
Woo!
Listen to your heart sound when you're in nursing school. Listen to your heart sound. There's nothing else you can do if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know why. Listen to your heart sound and Plex is coming for you.
Should we also like?
I'm so scared. I'm so scared right now. I'm stressing myself.
Best over the apex of the heart.
Oh, my car. We'll edit that out. We'll edit that out.
Why did you?
Oh my land!
There we go. We'll just cut that part out.
S, love,
Dub, dub,
Tana,
C.
E.
S3 demonstration. S3 demonstration, go.
Love,
Dub, dub, dub.
love,
Dub,
love.
dub.
S4 heart sounds. Kentucky, Kentucky. demonstration. Love.
Dub.
Love.
Dub.
Andy, you gotta make it sound.